First, look for the tilt watch device tip and tell on the box and make sure the arrow is green. If the arrow is red, please follow the notice sticker that says the following. Always accept the shipment. Make a note on bill of lading. Immediately inspect for damage. Cut the straps that hold the box onto the pallet. Lift the box up and over the ATM and remove plastic wrap along with any packaging. Open the box that is outside of the ATM. It contains the following contents: the ATM keys, thermal receipt printer paper, the ATM's quick reference guide, the vault lock operating instructions. Remove the ATM from the pallet by moving it back and forth towards the back of the pallet. Make sure the back of the ATM touches to ground first before removing the pallet. Open top bezel of the ATM. Check for any damages inside and outside of the ATM. Open bottom bezel to access the vault. Open the vault door by using the default code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pound. Orange sticker with directions on how to change the combo of the lock is placed on the vault door by the lock. Make sure you remove any foam packaging from the front, back, and in between the cassette. Unscrew the finger screw on the bottom left of the stage tray. Make sure dispenser tray can slide out with no problems. Remove the contents from the bottom of the ATM. Remove the dole plug to route the power cord to the back of the ATM, located on the bottom left and right of the ATM, whichever is more convenient to power the ATM. With the power cord out the back of the ATM, attach the dole plug onto the cord and slide it back into the ATM to protect the opening from any bugs or critters that can fit and cause issues on your dispenser.